Hey everyone, my name's Cameron, otherwise known as Kalimba Cam, and if you've ever bought a Kalimba, then it may or may not have also come with these stickers. But what are they for? Well, in this video, I'm going to explain exactly that. Let's get started. Now, the basic answer to the question of what are these stickers used for is that they are used to help you, the player, differentiate between the tines when playing. Now, technically, these stickers can be placed in any order on the Kalimba, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you how myself and many others commonly apply these stickers to the Kalimba. Now, the first pattern I'm going to show you involves using the red stickers and placing one in the center and then leaving a space of 2 tines in between each sticker. So firstly, I'm going to peel off one of the strips. Can be a bit fiddly. There we go, got one. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to aim for this tine that I want to put the sticker on. Try and get it in the middle as much as I can. And then just lay it down vertically. And there it is. It's not perfect, but it's pretty much on. Now I'm going to repeat that for every tine upwards, but leaving a space of 2 tines in between each red sticker. So here you can see I've left a space of 2 tines in between the bottom sticker and this sticker. It's not perfect, but it'll do. Now I'm going to keep repeating that until I've put all the stickers that I want to put on. So as you can see here, this red sticker is actually going above the tine because this tine is shorter than the others, so this sticker is kind of overflowing off the tine. And what you can do to avoid that is just use a pair of scissors to cut off the unnecessary part of the sticker. But for this video, I don't really feel like I need to do that, so I'm just going to leave it how it is. Okay, so now I've finished putting all the red stickers on, but as you can see on the higher tines where they're a bit shorter, they're really overflowing over the top of the tine. So I am going to go get a pair of scissors and cut that off. Alright, I'm back and I found a pair of scissors. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to carefully trim off the unnecessary part of the sticker, and as you can see, that fits much more nicely now. And we can just discard this extra little bit. Ideally, you'd cut off the sticker before putting them on the tine, but because I had a slight misjudgment, I'm having to do it while they're still stuck to the tine. But this is not ideal, because you could risk scratching the tines on your Kalimba. There we go. Now, if you're a perfectionist, this will really annoy you, but I mean, it's good enough for this video. So now I'm going to move on to the second part of how I like to put on the stickers. You can leave it like this. This is good enough. A lot of people just like to leave the stickers on like this. There's a nice color differentiation between these tines. But if you want to go that extra little step further in terms of differentiating them, then you can bring in the green stickers. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to place one green sticker above each red sticker. So I'm going to put one here, one here, one here, one here, one here, and one here. Oh no, it's fallen inside the hole. Oh no, it's stuck there as well. Oh, got it. Alright, and there you have it. I've put on all the stickers on my Kalimba, albeit not perfect. It doesn't help that my hands are really shaky, but we got there in the end. And as you can see, we got a nice looking design, almost like a Christmas design. And I'd really recommend this, especially if you're a beginner, or even if you're not a beginner, because it can really help you when you're practicing, just to differentiate between the tines. These stickers aren't note markings. This has no indication of whether this is a C or a D or an E, etc. It's simply just creating a pattern so you can tell that each tine is different. And what I like about this second design, the more complex design, is that each and every single tine going upwards is different. So as you can see, red, green, grey, red, green, grey. That's really good for just helping to differentiate between the tines and will help you to more accurately play songs. One last tip I would give is just to make sure you leave enough space, enough metal on the end of the tine when you're putting on the stickers, or else you may get a more dulled sound when you play it if you're just kind of using your nail off finger against the actual sticker instead of the metal. And that's it. And that brings us to the end of this video. If you found this video useful, please consider leaving a like and sharing it with your friends. And if you'd like to see more Kalimba videos as such, then please consider subscribing to my channel. If you like the look of the Kalimba that I'm using in this video, then you can check it out through the link I've attached in the video description. I've also attached a coupon code which you can use to get a discount on your purchase. And finally, if you have any further questions or you'd like to request a video, then please leave it in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.